Kakong Ampareen Kiar ban Kren hakbayade bat jingtmu ban Ïakhun ke Ilekshon MP na Shillong. Kakong Ampareen lingdo kabaderu ke Menteri Jela Kiar ban ketok habayade bat ke jingi tiket na keseng National People's Party NPP habayade bat ke Ilekshon Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Seat daga pen bat ke parti kedai ke bor ke Halor ban Ïakhun kine gijing pentim. Ambaya Kren bat kilat patai kubor ke kong lingdo kalayai ban baki don kil kom tri kam haswa ban je jau kurtong hende ya klem kentai bakan Ïakhun lada lasha yaka ban Ïakhun hakane election na Shillong seat kabapen pau baka parti kadai ke basim ya karai ke bakadu.
I will not comment at this point of time. It is not correct. And I feel that the party is the competent authority to share this kind of information with you. There are procedures that they probably have placed. There are, interests that have already been expressed. So, as a party worker and one who's here to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, I will take up any challenge that my party thinks I am in position to take. So, without saying anything at this point of time, I cannot comment on this. Party is the ultimate decision taker.
So, ma'am, you said
But what is your mind, ma'am? I mean, on this
I have
MP
already
election?
said I am a representative of the people. You put me up to a task to represent my people, I will not shy away.
Okay, she'll embrace it.
When will you make your decision?
There is no decision for me to make. The party takes the decision. The party is going to be deciding. I am a worker of the party. I am a leader of my people. I will rise to the challenge at any point of time.
But don't you think that it will be challenging for you because you're already the minister here, an MP, won't it be too much on your plate?
Let me tell you one thing. Challenges come and go. No one at any point of time can say that too much on my plate. What comes to your plate is something which you have to decide. Can you digest? Can't you digest? And at this point of time, it's just destiny repeats itself. History repeats itself. I've always been put up to these kinds of challenges, and I have never shied away in the past. Why would I begin to recede into doubt? I am a person who takes up any challenge as it comes. I will not bite more than I can chew either, and this is something not beyond chewable. It is not something which is out of the ordinary. I am a qualified person. I have the experience. What is this? This is just another election. What makes you think that I cannot do it? But we leave the wisdom of the selection procedure to those that will select, which is the electorate. But I cannot shy away from it. I cannot be afraid of it. I will take things as they come. I have evaluated it. I know it will be difficult. Nobody said it's going to be easy. I will do the needful. And my team is the most important thing. I cannot go for an election if my team is not mentally prepared. So is the NPP team ready? This is 36 constituencies for one Shillong parliamentary seat. Are all the 36 blocks going to rise and come forward to help me? They will decide. The party will decide. Because once you put me on a task for something, I work very hard.